welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Kasha. If this is your first time to click on Casha TV, thank you so much for clicking, and please don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the notification bell so that you can get notified every time I upload a new video. Guys, in today's video I have some goodies. Yeah, today is on Saturday the 21st, and I have some goodies with me that arrived yesterday. If you haven't watched also the unboxing video from Amazon, it will be right here. So yeah, today's goods actually, yeah, I'll be unboxing this amazing hair from Julia. This store is on Amazon and it's a U-part wig, lace wig. So what I got also these two professional hair press combs, two of them. Yeah, so one I'm gifting my friend, and the other one I keep it. Yeah, so I'm that friend. So I thought she needed it also. So yeah, let me see how they look like. Yeah, so this is how it looks like. It comes with it comes like this, like so. It comes like this. Yeah, I hope I'm recording this video or I'm doing something. Yeah, and then it comes with this Tony. Yeah, so this is what it looks like for pressing the hair, just in case. Yeah, and as you can see, I'm just from treating my hair. If you're a black girl, you know. If you know, you know. So yeah, so I hope my friend enjoys this gift from me to her. Let's get to the video. We'll be unboxing Julia hair from Amazon. The details will be on the description box. This is how it comes. Yeah, you can see it's Julia hair U-part kinky straight natural color, 180% density, 24 inches. Yeah, here they give you the tips of how to wash it, how to style it, everything. So let's see what's in here. Oh God, baby. Oh, okay, yeah. Yeah, it comes like this. It's 24 inches. This is the last wig that I'm going to buy. This is how it looks like. It's kinky U-part. Since I've not been having U-part, so I thought, this is interesting. This is an interesting hair. Who the hell is that? We have a visitor. This is how it looks like.
Okay. I have the same wig.
Yeah?
I've been eyeing this wig and I got it delivered today.
Really?
Yeah.
Yeah, so it looks like this, guys. So it's kinky. It looks like this. You can see the U part, and then it comes with the combs. Yeah, so it's really soft. So, what else do they give you? They give you this long eyelashes, and they give you this what's this, Tamima? I think a band. Yeah, when you're styling your wig. Yeah. This is how it looks like, and then they give you a wig cap. Yeah, so we are going to install this wig and see how it's going to look. So keep watching. Here, the most thing that I like about it is you can decide to let it be like your natural hair for the colored women, or you can just decide to straighten it so that it can give you that silk look. As for me, I want it silk, and Also, we can just decide and put it just the way it is, and also you can decide to put a ponytail. The first thing that you're going to do when you're installing the U-part wig is make sure your hair is laid properly to avoid the bulkiness of the wig once it's installed. You can see on the video Tamina is plaiting 2 braids, one on the left and one on the right. This is to pin the combs inside the wig, and also she's going to leave out some hair. That's where the U part is going to get in, and that's where you separate the wig from the hair so that you can be able to blend it in once everything is done. So yeah guys, so I hope you enjoy. I hope this video has been very helpful to you guys. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and tell a friend to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Enjoy the rest of the video guys. See ya. Bye.
Why you wanna run away? Why you gotta be afraid? I wish I could make you stay, cause baby I love you. Why you tryna break us up when I'm tryna build it up? I wish I could make. I'm kinda new with apologies, holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. You got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old thoughts, be my referee. I will be alright. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better. I don't know why. I don't know why. Like I'm better off with I'm kinda new with apologies, holding back, I got history. Yeah, yeah. But the way you've been crossing the line, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change. Never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Kinda used to these battlegrounds where you flee, you don't stick around, no. But the way you've been giving me time, oh, it's something in me that says it's fine. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. Like I'm better off with you. Like I'm better off with you. Hoping you wouldn't change me. Got the same old flaws, be my referee. I will be alright, never cut it right, but somehow you make me change. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why. You make me wanna do better. You make me wanna do better, I don't know why, I don't know why.
Guys, we are done installing this U-part wig, and this is how it looks like. So as you can see, like I've blended my hair with the wig itself, look the same. So let me know what you think about the hair on the comment section, and yeah, that's it. So if you like, you can as well like put it back. You can put it in the middle like this, like front, and also you can decide to like hold like a band like this, so that you can, to avoid hair on your face or something. Yeah.